The most common Star Wars language is the Galactic Basic Standard, which is basically what we speak, which is English, but it's actually known as Galactic Basic Standard in the Star Wars universe. And as you see in this picture, it is not the same. It's not written the same as English is. It's called the Arabic script, which is actually the alphabet that most people use for the Galactic Basic Standard. You see, is very different than what we know in English. That's why whenever we see words and sentences in the Star Wars universe, we kind of can't read it because of this script unless you memorize this language, which I have not. Now, I find the history of this very interesting, which is talking about a Holorite who lived between 15,762 BBY and 15,609 BBY. That was the language had evolved a lot, enough to actually be considered a distinct historical division, which was later dubbed Mid-Galactic Standard. Galactic Basic was actually further influenced by Dromir after the Voltans joined the Republic around 14,000 BBY, according to Wikipedia. So this actually was the modern Galactic Basic Standard during this time period. And under the Galactic Empire, there was a version of this language known as the Imperial Basic. And this was actually adopted by the Rebel Alliance later and was spoken, the Alliance of Free Planets, the New Republic, the Imperial Remnant, Galactic Alliance, and the Fel, Sith, and True Empires. Everybody that we see in all the Star Wars movies is actually speaking this language of the Galactic Basic Standard, as which we know of in the real universe as English.